Hi you guys, welcome to this week's lunch meal prep video. For this week for lunch, we're going to have ground turkey lettuce wraps. So we have the ground turkey and we're going to use the pieces of lettuce to wrap it up in. We're going to have a sweet soy sauce for the ground turkey. They're going to be kind of like P.F. Chang lettuce wraps if you've ever had those. So for the sauce, we'll have a soy sauce base, some honey, sesame seed oil, red wine vinegar, garlic, and then we'll garnish them off with sesame seeds and green onion. This is a really healthy and really simple lunch recipe that we'll have for this week. I hope you guys enjoy it. So before we cook our ground turkey, we're gonna make the sauce that goes with it. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to mince up the garlic. So we'll just chop it real small. I'm gonna use 5 cloves of garlic for this. If you like it a little more garlicky, you can add a little more, you can add a little less, depending on your preference. Garlic chopped, so we will start adding the other ingredients for the sauce. Okay, the sauce that we're going to use for our ground turkey lettuce wraps is going to be the minced garlic, 5 cloves that we used. We're going to use half a cup of soy sauce. We have 1 teaspoon of the sesame oil. We have 2 teaspoons of the red wine vinegar. And then I have a half a cup of honey. So we're gonna mix that all together. This sauce is super delicious. It's got that Asian garlic taste to it. So we'll mix this all up. We will start to cook the ground turkey, and then once that's done, we'll have the sauce ready to go to add to it. For this recipe, I'm going to use 2 pounds of ground turkey. So we'll take it out of the package and then we'll break it up into all of its pieces and cook the ground turkey. So the ground turkey is all broken up. I stirred around a little bit and we're gonna let this cook for a few minutes. Alright, so the ground turkey is done. Now I'm going to pour in the sauce that we made with the soy sauce and the garlic. I'm going to mix it all together so that all of the ground turkey is coated in the sauce. And I turned the heat back on of the stove. So we're going to let this sit in the juice for a minute on the heat. It'll help get it a little bit thicker, and it's gonna help coat all of the pieces of the ground turkey. All right, so we have this on here for about 2 minutes. just to make sure that all the ground turkey is coated and the sauce is thickening. So I'm going to turn off the heat. We're gonna let this cool and we'll add it to our lettuce cups. All right, so our ground turkey has cooled. So we're gonna assemble our lunches for the week. I have these lettuce pieces. There's just regular iceberg lettuce. You can get, they have that butter lettuce that comes in the little cups at the store. So you can use that also. But today I'm gonna use these this iceberg lettuce as my lettuce wraps. I'm gonna put it in my containers. I have a couple pieces per container. All right, so I'm gonna put a couple spoonfuls of the ground turkey on the center of each lettuce cup. Our ground turkey in our lettuce cups, so now I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on each one, just a little garnishment. They come out really quick, so be really careful here. All right. And I chopped up some green onion, so I'll just sprinkle a little bit of green onion on the top. All right, so our lunch meal prep is ready for the week. We have these super healthy, delicious, low carb ground turkey lettuce wraps. So now they're ready to go for our lunch this week. Check the description box for the ingredients and the recipe. Also leave me a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to click subscribe, the button below, so that you don't miss any of my weekly lunch and breakfast meal prep videos. I hope you all have a great week. I'll see you later. Bye.